guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosenda Valenzuela from littlepinkcasa.com, and today I have a morning clean routine. It's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, and you all seem to really like my cleaning videos, and I thought I'd do another one. You get to clean with me and get motivated. I have a morning clean routine checklist on my blog, and a lot of you were asking me to show you how I do all of that in action. I will show you everything I do on the checklist so you can follow along, and you can also go download that checklist if that's something that you like to keep organized with. Let's just get on with the video and let's start to clean.
The first thing I do is load one load of laundry in my washer. Then I'm off to squirt toilets with cleaner, and I do that in every bathroom. Let it sit. I quickly collect all the trashes and take them to the kitchen. The trashes are from every room, the bathroom, office. Then it's off to attack the kitchen. I clear the table of all our morning breakfast dishes, and I start to rinse them out, and then I get ready to do dishes. A lot of you ask me why I don't use my dishwasher, because I do have one, and sometimes I do when I have a lot of dishes or during the week, but most of the time when it's a little bit like I have right now, it's just easier to fill the sink up and do those really quickly. I don't have my rubber gloves today. I actually need a new pair, so if you see me washing dishes and cleaning without my gloves, it's because I need to buy a new one. Next, I wipe down the sink and counters and clean any other appliances that need to be cleaned. I have a DIY cleaner if you want to check that out. I'll put a link in the description box. But as I clean up everything, I try to keep my counter as clean as possible with appliance free. So there it goes. And then I'm wiping down counters. Now I got to put music on when I clean, so oh yeah, it makes it more fun. Next, I attack the stovetop and clean that up really good using my DIY cleaner. Now I do not do zone cleaning at this time. This is just a quick morning routine, so I do not clean my burners or deep clean them, but that'll be at another time. And then I find time to take my vitamins and drink some water. I leave my grocery list on the counter, and then I'm off to go wipe down my tabletop. By this time, the dishes should be dry. If they're not, I just quickly wipe them down and I will put them away. If you notice behind me, my cabinet door is open and I have my morning routine checklist inside my cabinet door, which makes it easy to go look and see what I'm supposed to do. I also keep it in my binder, which I will show you in another video, but I keep it about 3 copies in different places of the home. Alright, all done. And now, time to attack the floors according to my list. And I use Febreze in my vacuum. I just wanted to show you that because it really works really good for keeping the house fresh. And there I go. I vacuum the floors instead of sweep. It's just a little easier, and put all the chairs back around the table, tidy up. Then I get my placemats, and before I put them around the table, I clean them off of any stains or any crumbs, and then I just make my table look lovely. Then I clean up everything that doesn't belong in the kitchen, along with homeschool supplies, because we homeschool during the week, but Hadara has enrichment classes today, so we like to put the homeschool supplies and things away for the weekend and in our office. And there I go. Alright, you're halfway done. If you're following my checklist, we're done with the kitchen, nice and clean. And let's go. Get the laundry out of the washer and throw it in the dryer. We're going to get that load and make sure that gets dried. Then we're off to attack the bathroom. So I go to Hadara's bathroom, which is our guest bathroom, first. Put away anything that doesn't belong, any clutter on the counter. I tidy up the hand towel. And then I remove all of the decor off of the counter and start to clean the sink with Mrs. Myers. I really like that for our bathrooms. I'm using the lavender fragrance today. And you'll notice that my bathroom has changed. Hadara's bathroom got an update. It's no longer a princess bathroom. It's more grown up. She's 13 now, so she wanted a beach coastal theme. We did it in the shades of blue and gray and aqua, and we absolutely love it. I put all the beautiful decor back, and see how easy it is when you don't have many things on your counter. You can quickly put everything back, and then I attack the mirrors. Oh, does that ever happen to you? And then I attack the toilet, of course. Now, I don't like cleaning the toilets, and I don't want to show you all that drama, but you know what to do. Then I replace the trash bag and start to collect all my stuff, throw the rug out, and vacuum the floors. Then I'm off to my master bathroom, and I start to put everything away. I'm already dressed, so I've already done my hair, makeup, and everything, so I can put away hot tools, makeup, hair products, and I remove everything off my counter. I try to keep it clean and tidy so there's not much to do, and I throw the towels that are dirty out, and I tidy up my bath towel or hand towel that I use, and then I start to clean and attack my countertop and the sink. I do have a bigger countertop and sink area for this bathroom, so it does take me a little longer, but I find the key is, you guys, is consistency. If I continually doing this morning routine like every day, then it doesn't take me that long to do it every day. So I replace everything, put everything back on the counter, and where everything goes. I'm out of cotton balls. Oh no, I'm gonna have to put that on my grocery list. And then I attack the mirrors. These are really big mirrors, so I like to keep them as clean as possible because it's easier to clean them. But I have a really cool tip for you. I usually get specks of mascara or makeup or sometimes lipstick or nail polish on my counter or the mirror. And what helps is eye makeup remover. That is the key, you guys. Just put a little dab of that with cotton ball wherever you got it, like I'm doing here on the mirror, and it's gone. Next, I attack the toilets, and then I vacuum the floors. I'm doing 2 bathrooms, so I gotta hurry up. And then I'm done. Ready to go throw all the trash out. I shake the rugs out while I'm out there. Then I'm off to go get that load of laundry and bring it inside. And now I attack the living room and the bedroom. First is the bedroom. I'm going to pick up all the things that don't belong and put them in my basket. I will put those things that are in the basket away later. And then I tidy up the bed or make the bed. At this point I made the bed already, so I'm just kind of fixing it up. And then I'm going to put all of the laundry away that I brought in, fold it, put it away. And there's our bedroom, nice and clean. Then I'm off to the living room. I'm almost done. This is the last thing off of my morning clean routine. I just plump pillows and straighten up furniture, and I'll fix the blankets, tidy things up. This is the room I pass by all day, so I want to make sure it looks good and refreshed, and it just looks like calm and peaceful when everything's put together.
Thank you for watching today. Hope you like this video. If you want more cleaning videos like this, just comment below and let me know. Maybe a night routine, something like that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.